Hey, hi friends, welcome to my channel. So, friends, if you are planning to make a new kitchen or you are renovating the existing kitchen and are you confused that how to design your kitchen, then you are on the right video because in this video you will get the beautiful kitchen design with some important tips for your kitchen construction. Friends, there you can see there are the beautiful kitchen design with modern cabinets and the price is mentioned is for only the kitchen cabinets. So when you are planning to design your kitchen, you should remember some important points. So while you making the new kitchen or renovating is an expensive project, hence it is an important that it is well planned and highly functional. Although every kitchen is customized according to each homeowner's individual requirements. So here are the some golden rules to follow ensure a kitchen where beauty and functionality exist. So whether you are planning to for a total kitchen remodel or a building your dream kitchen. So first that identify how the space will be used. When designing the kitchen, one must decide how the family intend to use the space and plan the layout accordingly. If your option for a closed kitchen or an open kitchen that allows interaction with family and guests, and there are the different kitchen layouts include L-shaped kitchen, U-shaped kitchen, island kitchen and a gallery kitchen. Another key important point is incorporate the work triangle. The work triangle connects three important work areas of the kitchen, the cooktop, sink and the refrigerator. This area should be unobstructed and the distance between each zone should be ranged from 4 to 9 feet so that one can efficiently move between tasks such as cooking, cleaning and food preparations. Another point is to make provisions for appliance. The kitchen layout should make provisions for power outlets, electrical appliances like dishwasher, refrigerator, microwave, oven, chimney, RO water filter, and so on the planning stage. So make sure that the doors of the refrigerator or dishwasher do not hamper any movement within the kitchen. Ensure a good ventilation. The kitchen should have windows openings for natural ventilation and a chimney and exhaust fan to extract smoke and indoor air pollutants that are released while cooking. Another point is that invest in a quality materials. Use durable materials for the kitchen. Materials like granite and quartz are very strong choice for the kitchen countertops. Use plywood rather than MDF for the cabinets and SS finish hardware that does not rust. Another point is to plan for adequate storage. Introduce different sized drawers for deep and shallow storage. In a compact kitchen, utilize vertical space with floor to ceiling cabinets. One can also install midway system which include wall mounted shelves and racks for storing frequently used items. Store electrical appliances together as electrical appliances take up precious counter space. It is advisable to group items like toasters, juicers and blenders and store them in a single cabinet. Another important point is you measure the platform height. The standard height of the kitchen platform lies between 30 to 40 inches. However, you have to decide the comfortable requirement dimension based on the height of the person who will use this platform. Another is the cabinets. The height of the cabin should be designed according to your comfortable to reach up the items. Always the lower partition should be made larger to keep the heavier items. This is because it is easy to take heavier items from a lower height. Kitchen window. The height of the kitchen window should be kept at least 1 feet above the kitchen platforms. The height of the sill level is between 3.4 to 4 feet from the floor level. The reason is to protect the gas flame from the airflow. A height of 1 foot acts as a barrier to cooking flames. Tile fixtures beneath the still level keep the window glass clean. And another main thing is that wall tiles for your kitchen. The design patterns and the color of the tile should be selected in advance so it matches well with your flooring and cabin shades. So if you're not going for a modular kitchen, tiles of darker shade are advisable because lighter shade tiles need frequent cleaning which can be avoided if the regular kitchen is your choice. Wall tile in the kitchen's height. Wall tile is must for all types of kitchen. If you have an affordable budget, install the tiles up to the slab level. Otherwise, the tile height should be at least 4 feet from the top of kitchen platforms. Another thing is the chimney. The opening and position of the chimney should be pre-designed to provide the required holes. The location of cooking stove should be pre-planned to avoid inconvenience in the future. Electrical points, if you plan to buy them later,